So every night we flip the canoe over and that dries it out. And then I put a log here, down here at the edge of the water, and I can push the canoe out quite easily. And I don't want to grab the water from there. I mean, I probably could, but it's pretty swampy. So we can, watch out, bud. Here comes the canoe. What happened? Here we left the bass. It was hooked up to our line here. Around the end of it. Just the rest of the bones and everything. And it's totally gone. Something came up, crawled up and ate it. Maybe a turtle. You heard it splashing last night. Yeah, you think the turtle came and got it? Maybe. You're probably right. This is pretty much a hunting canoe, so we can beat it up pretty good. I could just throw it in. I'm gonna paddle over there and grab some water. I see. Going into the lake. Is that pretty cool? How do we? Huh. Bless you. How do you know it's a spring? Well, how do we figure it's a spring?
Because it's cold. Really cold.
Freezing cold, isn't it, compared to the lake? And there's lots of silt. That means it runs a lot and it brings lots of soil and sand from wherever it's coming from. There's a moose track right there. So I dug out a little spot here where it could be a little bit deeper, and then we don't get a bunch of junk in the water each time. So we can skim a little bit off the top. And then I'm gonna make sure I top up to the top. Right to the top. And then have the lid on. And we want to get all the way full 1 liter, full bottle. Close it up. Get that dirt off there. There we go. I wonder where that comes from. It's quite a bit of water. Look at it come down. It goes out back in that swamp there somewhere. Breakfast, we've got peanut jam, open face. We've got peanut jam, closed face. I got cereal, cashews, trail mix, almonds, and sunflower seeds. Plus we got a bunch of junk over there we can pick through.
Pumpkin seeds.
And hot chocolate, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds. That's the third pot this morning. Wanted to talk a little bit about the wood. So we got some pretty questionable wood. It's a little bit on the wet side, so put it up against the rock near the fire, and that'll dry out. And then my son actually found some tinder fungus on the birch tree. So I got that, and it was pretty wet. So just drying that out, and we'll see if that'll catch a spark from the fire steel. So just leave those by the fire and they'll dry out nice and rock hard. Give that a go. And say what happened? What happened to you?
Wasp bite.
Now show me where he bit you. Oh, look at that big sting. Let me go like this so I can see it. Look at it, it's all swollen up. We followed the creek up from the lake quite a bit, and then we stepped on a wasp nest. And I got stung on my elbow. Again. And then Mommy almost got stung, and you got stung on your hand, and we ran out of there like as fast as possible. And now we're cooling off in the spring. Let's see.
feels it.
Does it feel nice in the water? Yeah. Take some of the swelling out. So we followed up a little bit further from the creekway, and this is what you run into. So this is exactly why you always boil your water, because this water is, well, it's still spring fed, but it comes through a pretty stagnant area. So anyway, always boil your water, even if you think it's spring sourced, and it probably is spring sourced. It just get really warm in here, and then bacteria and pathogens can grow. So we're back pretty far now, and we found this tree right in an opening, and it's just been totally thrashed. You can see it's all been torn up, all curled up. So I would guess, since I've been seeing lots of moose tracks, probably a moose just murdered this tree with its antlers. All the way up. Now there's nothing left. Okay, come on. Come see what I found. Keep going. Okay, go around the corner. Keep going, this way. Keep going.
What is that?
What do you think it is, buddy? Come pick it up.
It looks like a hand. A giant, enormous hand.
Giant, enormous hand. It's a moose antler, buddy. Look at that thing, it's huge.
Whoa.
That's cool.
That's a pretty big moose, too. And pick it up, show them the camera. You lift it up.
It's been there for a while.
Nice. That's pretty neat.